Something is changing, but what kind of change is this? Is this a physical change or a chemical change? Did you decide? Do you know? By the end of this video, you'll be able to tell the difference every single time. Have you ever watched ice melt or even paper burn? Even though both of those things change, they are not the same kind of change. In science, there are two main types of changes, a physical change and a chemical change. Let's break them down in a simple way. So a physical change happens when something changes in size, shape, or form, but it is still the same substance. Nothing new is made. Now, a chemical change happens when a new substance is created, the original material changes into something new. So here's an example of a physical change, and here's an example of a chemical change. Now let's take a closer look at a physical change. So here are some examples: ice melting into water, water freezing into ice, paper being cut, clay being shaped, and sugar dissolving in water. Why are these physical changes? In all of these examples, the material is still the same, just in a different form. Now let's take a look at chemical change. So wood burning in a fire, a candle burning, rust forming on metal, baking a cake, and an apple turning brown. Why are these chemical changes? When wood burns, it turns into ash and smoke. That's not wood anymore. Now, when a cake bakes, it cannot turn back into batter. That means a new substance would form. That's why it's a chemical change. So make sure you understand the difference, and let me give you an easier way to understand it. So try to memorize this if you can. If it can be undone, it's a physical change. If it cannot be undone, it's a chemical change. So remember, at the beginning of the video, I asked you, was that a chemical change or a physical change? Comment below what you think it is. If you've mastered physical and chemical change, make sure to check out the video quiz game to challenge your knowledge on physical versus chemical change. And I'll see you in the next video.